Look, if you're watching this video right now, you're probably broke or you're barely making enough money online to justify all the hours you keep putting in. And I'm gonna tell you something that nobody else has the guts to say. 99% pretty much of all the make money online advice you've been fed is complete garbage designed to keep you poor and keep you grinding while someone else gets rich off your back. But here's the thing, I'm about to expose every single trash method that's wasting your time right now and show you the one business model that's actually printing money in 2026 for thousands of people all over the world. My name's Fred, and I've built a business that's made thousands of dollars a day in profit, so feel free to ignore my advice if you want to stay broke. What I'm about to tell you is gonna make you mad. It's probably gonna make you uncomfortable, but if you actually listen to it and apply it, it will change your life and make you more money than you ever dreamed of. So it's up to you, really. Let's start with the worst ways to make money online. And I'm not gonna hold back, trust me. First up, we've got online surveys. So if you're sitting there clicking buttons for 2 hours to make $1, you need to look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself what you're doing with your life. Online surveys are literally designed to pay you just a few cents here and there, while companies extract valuable data from you that they turn around and sell for thousands of dollars. You are the product. You're not building a business. You're not building a high-value skill. You're trading your time for pennies while telling yourself you are an entrepreneur. Just stop it. If you're doing surveys, you're not serious about making money. You're just scared to do what it takes to build a real business that actually produces value for its customers. Next up, we've got Amazon FBA. Look, it's 2026. Amazon FBA is saturated beyond belief. You're competing with thousands of sellers on every single product. You need tens of thousands of dollars upfront for inventory. You're dealing with suppliers in China who might scam you. You're dealing with Amazon's insane fees that eat into your margins. You're dealing with returns, damaged products, storage fees. And here's the thing, you don't even own the platform. Amazon can choose to suspend your account tomorrow for no reason or copy your product and boom, your entire business is gone. You have zero control. Plus, your profit margins are razor thin. You might make 10 to 20% if you're lucky, and that's before all the headaches. You're essentially buying yourself a job where you're a customer service rep dealing with angry customers and shipment issues. That's not freedom, it's a nightmare. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Oh, and please, don't even get me started on dropshipping. Dropshipping in 2026 is a graveyard. Like, there's no better way to describe it. Everyone and their mom tried dropshipping in 2020, 2021. I was one of them. The market is flooded. The Facebook ad costs are through the roof. That is, if they don't ban you first. You're selling garbage products from AliExpress with 4 to 6 week shipping times while your customers are expecting Amazon Prime speed. You're gonna deal with so many chargebacks, refunds, and angry customers who hate you simply because the product took forever to arrive and also it's cheap junk, let's face it. And just like with Amazon FBA, you don't own anything. You don't own the product. You don't own the customer relationship. You don't own the platform. Your ad account can get shut down anytime. Your supplier can run out of stock. You're building on a house of sin. So stop chasing the dropshipping dream. It's dead. Now, let's talk about relying on AdSense revenue on social media. That can be on YouTube ads, TikTok Creator Fund, Instagram monetization, all of it. Here's the big problem. You need millions of views to make decent money. Millions of views per month. The CPMs are garbage. You're making maybe $2 to $5 per thousand views if you're lucky. So you need to go viral consistently just to pay rent. And you know what that means? You become a slave to the algorithm. You're posting every single day, multiple times a day, trying to chase trends, trying to go viral, but you have zero control over your income. One algorithm change and your views stink. One policy change and your account gets demonetized. You're building your entire business on rented land that someone else controls. It's stupid. Now, you're never gonna control everything. But even if you make it in this business, you're trapped in a content hamster wheel where you can't stop posting because otherwise your income disappears. It's not a business, it's a prison. You can't even use ads to grow your business. You have no leverage. And finally, affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing isn't all that bad really. But here's the reality. Most people doing affiliate marketing are promoting other people's products for 5 to 10% commissions. You're doing all the hard work of building an audience, creating content, driving traffic, and someone else is getting 80 to 90% of the money. You're leaving so much money on the table, it's insane. Plus, just like everything else I mentioned, you don't own the product. The company can cancel the affiliate program tomorrow. They can lower your commissions. They can change the terms. You have zero control. Why would you build a business where you're making 10% when you could be making 98%? It makes no sense. So now that I've destroyed every BS method that gurus have been selling you forever, let me tell you the best way to actually make life-changing money online in 2026. And this is exactly what I do every single day. And this is also what every smart, extremely wealthy entrepreneur I know does. You sell high-ticket consulting, digital products, or services for $1,000 to $10,000 or even more. That's it. And here's why this changes everything. When you sell something for $1,000 to $10,000, your profit margins are insane. 50 to 98%, depending on whether you're running paid ads or doing organic content, and whether you're doing it solo or with a small team. But even if you're running ads and you have a small team, you're still keeping at least at the bare minimum 50% profit. Compare that to the 10 to 20% margins on all the other business models, it's not even close. The math changes completely when you sell high-ticket offers instead of some random junk from China. Instead of needing 1,000 customers buying a $20 product to make $20,000, you could just need 2 customers at $10,000 or 10 at 2K. Like, think about this, 2 customers or 10. Do you understand how much easier it is to get 2 to 10 customers compared to hundreds or thousands? You can get that from organic content, reaching out to potential customers. You can get 2 customers from one good ad campaign. The best part is that you own everything when you do high ticket. You own the product, you own the customer relationship, you own the business. Nobody can shut you down. Nobody can change your margins. Nobody can cancel your program. You are in complete control of your income and your future. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, but I'm not an expert. I don't have credentials. I don't have a degree. I don't have years of experience. Who am I to charge $1,000 to $10,000? And this is the lie that's keeping you broke. This is the limiting belief that's stopping you from changing your life. So let me destroy this right now. You don't need to be the world's leading expert to help people and get paid well for it. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the people you're helping. That's it. If you know how to lose 20 pounds, you can help someone to do the same. If you know how to get your first clients freelancing online, you can help somebody who's got 0 customers. If you know how to build a social media following, you can help someone who's starting from scratch. You don't need a PhD for that. In fact, you can make way more money than somebody with 10 goddamn degrees. You don't need 20 years of experience. You just need to help people get what they want. And here's another limiting belief. You think you need to wait until you're ready. You think you need to learn more, get more experience, build up your confidence. No, you don't. You need to start now. You learn by doing. You get experience by getting customers. You build confidence by getting results. Nobody ever feels ready. Nobody feels like an expert when they start. Even people with decades of experience don't feel like experts. But the people who win and make serious money are the people who start before they're ready and figure it out along the way. Every single successful person you admire started before they were qualified. They started messy. They started scared, but they started. And that is what separates them from everyone else who's still sitting on the sidelines waiting for permission. You think the market is too saturated. You think there are already too many people doing what you want to do. And yeah, I'll be honest, there are indeed a lot of people selling coaching and consulting and digital products. But you know what? There's also billions of people on the internet who need your help. The market is bigger than it's ever been. And people don't buy from the most qualified person. They buy from the person they trust, the person they connect with, the person whose message resonates with them. Your personality, your story, your unique perspective is what makes you different. There's only one you, so stop worrying about competition and start focusing on serving your people better than anyone else. If you really want to start making the big bucks online, stop wasting your time on surveys, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, chasing ad revenue, and promoting other people's products for scraps. Get serious about building a real business. Figure out what skill, knowledge, or interest you have that can help people get a result they want to solve a painful problem. Package that into a high-ticket offer priced between 1K all the way to 10K. Start putting out content about it, reaching out to potential clients. Start selling it. You don't need everything figured out before you start. Start now, and I promise you, 6 months from now, if you actually do this and commit to it, your life will look completely different. You'll be making more money than you ever thought possible. You'll have control over your income. You'll have freedom. But only if you start right now. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.